In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily highlight text in Safari web browser and then save it as PDF document. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Safari web browser and then head over to some web page. Once you are on a web page and you would like to highlight some text, you need to tap right here at Share, then scroll down until you find Markup. That will activate Markup tool, and right over here at this bottom toolbar we can easily find Highlighter. To activate it, just tap on it once. If some other tool is selected, tap at Highlighter to activate it, and after that you will be able to highlight any text on that page. To undo the last step, we can tap right here at that button. To draw straight lines, we can use ruler here. So we can activate ruler tool, and that will show us that ruler. We can rotate it with the two fingers in that way. If you would like to highlight text, I recommend you to rotate it to 0 degrees to make to position it in horizontal way. And then we can, by using highlighter, draw perfect straight lines. Then we can change the position of our ruler, and then we can draw another one. To hide ruler, tap on it one more time. Also, we can configure highlighter tool. First off, if we tap at highlighter one more time, it will give you an options to change brush size. Just select one from that options, and also by dragging that slider left or right, we can change the transparency for our highlighter. Also in here we can tap at that circle to change our highlighter's color. We can select it from the grid, from spectrum, and also we can configure it by dragging that sliders. I prefer to use grid, so we can just select that one, and then as you can see, the color has been changed, and also the brush size has been changed because I have selected that one. To turn off markup mode, we can tap right here at that icon, and then we'll be able to drag our web page to scroll it up or down, and then we can activate markup tool at another place of the web page, and then we can continue highlighting some text here. Then we can turn off that mode, and in that way we can highlight all the text we need on the entire web page. Once it is done and you would like to save that document, tap at Done, then tap at Save File To. That will open up your device's files directory. I prefer to save all the files on my iPhone, so in here we can head over to Browse, select on my iPhone. Also we can select some folder. We can also create one. To create new folder, just enter a name for that folder and tap at Done. After that, before saving that file, we are also able to edit file's name. And once it is done, all we have to do is just tap at Save. The PDF document with all our edits has just been saved, and now we can easily find it using Files application. That is official Apple application, and you can easily find it via search. Just search for Files, then open it up, head over to directory in which you've saved your document. I'm gonna open up test folder, and that's where my PDF document is located. That's basically all about how to highlight text in Safari. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.